I have a Fitbit. It's a smartwatch, basically, and it's broken. It doesn't turn on. The screen's already popped off. And, I'm just gonna destroy it, have some fun with it, and stab it up a bit, probably. So, let's just start it. So, first of all, we've got the screen. Might want to open my knife. We've got the screen. This needs to come off for me to get any farther, so just do that real quick. Oh, popped right off. Both of it did, the connectors. Now, the reason I couldn't open this up normally is because right here in these little corners, the weird-ass fucking screws, they're 6-point screws. And I only have a 5-point driver for my iPhone. Basically, that means I can't get into it without pulling up this metal. And it's really annoying because I don't want to really break it that much, but I have to. But it doesn't matter. I got a new one from a replacement. Because since this one broke while it was under warranty, you know. So that's nice. There we go. And now that metal's broken. And we got some circuitry. Just put that a little bit closer so you guys can see some of that stuff. So, I'm not quite sure where to go from here now that that metal bit was removed, but probably should finish taking off the rest of this metal, so I'll do that real quick. Alright, so now that the rest of the metal is mostly removed, we can start poking around. I want to completely disassemble this so, you know, we get the entire, you know, battery, circuit board, all that. Right now it's just a circuit board, so I think I gotta remove this metal piece right here next, so yeah, that's not gonna come off easy, is it? Oop, alright. Almost stabbed my thumb, but we're getting somewhere. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. Now we're making progress. Alright, you can see this is probably all copper plating so it doesn't overheat. You can see some of the chipsets. And now, with the removal of this board, we should be able to see more chipsets or circuit board. Alright, yeah, there we go. There we go. So yeah, more chipsets, more circuit boards, you know, nothing too interesting. Oh, shit. Flew. Yeah, that came off now too. That's good. So you can see right about here, some weird plastic coppery things. I think that's to do recognition that there's a band in there, maybe? I'm not sure. But I think the next part will be taking this part off right here. So do that real quick. Alright, so now that most of that metal is off, we can see the fully exposed circuit board, or most of it at least. And they've even got some circuit board right in this metal part here, underneath the chassis thing. Here's the buttons, the thingies for them at least. And we got some just other circuitry and shit like that. Now, I'm not quite sure how to get lower, so I'll just make a cut until I figure out how to get past this circuit board. Alright, so I got to this little chip thing, and that's the bottom of the chip. So that's pretty cool. And here it is with the chip removed. So that's what the bottom of a chip looks like. It's just a bunch of little tiny dots for connectors, but still didn't manage to get past the circuit board. Right now my strategy is to just pick through it until shit. I'm fine. Is to just pick through it until it just pops off or whatever. So I'll just make a cut until it's fully off or something else happens. Alright, so I finally peeled back this motherboard. You can see all the tiny connectors and shit. And I'm not sure what this is right here in the center, but yeah, just got a bunch of circuit board in there now. Just gotta rip that out. And so this is just a close-up look. But yeah, we're getting pretty deep inside there now, so I'll just keep digging, I guess. Alright, so I got a bit deeper past this metal layer, and I think I found the battery. And so I'm just gonna stab it real quick. Oh yeah, that's really soft. It's gotta be the battery. Get out of here, stupid ant. Alright, so I almost stabbed myself like 5 times during this whole procedure, but we finally got to the battery, and woof, does that smell bad. Jeez. It smells like a rotten strawberry. Disgusting. So, yeah, here is, ooh, wow, that got really hot. Yeah, that battery, oh shit, get out of here, ant. That battery is really, you know, it's going to, it's cooking off, basically. So, just gonna get a little bit deeper, you know, not too much, because we already reached the battery, but, yeah, I think that's about it, just this battery. And I mean, there are some sensors and a charge port right here, but that's not really much. You could see that from, well, right here, obviously. So here's just a close-up of the back. Shit. Close-up of the insides. Ooh, yeah, it's really smelling now. Screen, front, and rear. You know what, I'll actually take apart this screen right now. It shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, just peels right off. So if you saw my video about what's inside an LCD, you'll probably recognize most of this shit. Oh look, a car. Yeah, basically the same shit and crap and all that. Connectors, you know, stuff like that. Circuit board, if you want to look at that. And just some other chipsets. Shit, dropped it. So, yeah. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. And, catch me in the next one. See ya.